Hello, welcome to Body Tips. Today we talk about another health tips about how to reduce the blood pressure. If you not yet subscribed the channel, then subscribe now. High blood pressure, or hypertension, is a condition that affects millions of people worldwide. It can increase your risk of heart disease, stroke, and other health problems if left untreated. Fortunately, there are many ways to reduce blood pressure naturally. Here are some tips to help you get started. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity can help lower blood pressure by improving the health of your heart and blood vessels. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week, such as brisk walking, cycling, or swimming. Eat a healthy diet. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and low-fat dairy products can help lower blood pressure. Avoid foods high in saturated and trans fats, sodium, and added sugars. Reduce salt intake. Sodium can increase blood pressure in some people, so it's important to limit your salt intake. Try using herbs and spices to add flavor to your food instead of salt. Lose weight. Being overweight or obese can increase blood pressure. Losing even a few pounds can help lower blood pressure. Manage stress. Chronic stress can raise blood pressure over time. Try stress-reducing techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or yoga. Limit alcohol. Drinking too much alcohol can raise blood pressure. Limit your alcohol intake to no more than 1 drink per day for women and 2 drinks per day for men. Quit smoking. Smoking can raise blood pressure and damage your blood vessels. Quitting smoking can help lower blood pressure and reduce your risk of heart disease and stroke. Monitor your blood pressure. Regular blood pressure monitoring can help you keep track of your progress and make adjustments to your lifestyle as needed. In conclusion, reducing blood pressure naturally requires a combination of lifestyle changes, including regular exercise, healthy eating habits, stress management, weight loss, limited alcohol intake, and quitting smoking. By making these changes, you can improve your overall health and reduce your risk of developing serious health problems associated with high blood pressure. If you like the video, like and comment below.